Hello and welcome everyone to amazing hosting a deal. So if you want to buy your hosting from Hosting, then this may be the right time because right now I'm here with a special hosting a deals. Simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led to a page like this where you can see regarding hosting. So don't worry, I will tell you how you can claim amazing deals. You can simply select the explore all plans to get started through the deals where you can save as much as up to 89% discount. Before I move, I wanted to show you a few of the features regarding Hostinger, which is why I opted for Hostinger. So scroll below. First of all, look around on Hostinger Horizons, which is an amazing. It's a special deal coming right now. You can create a website. Or app, just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create the website for you. Hosting also supports drag and drop website builder. Hosting also has built a WordPress website, so if you're coming from if you want to host a WordPress website just like me, you can use it. Hostinger also has migrated to Hostinger service. So if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger is going to cover all of this with this special deal running right now without any charges. So either you have 100 website, 1, 2, any as much or as low websites, they are going to shift all of your website, that too free of cost. Just make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal right now over here. Scroll below, and I wanted to tell you regarding few of the things why you're going to like Hostinger, and these are their amazing reviews. 66,406 people claiming that Hostinger is one of the premium hosting company right now over here. You can practically see the reviews yourself with 4.7 out of 5, which is just an amazing number for any hosting company. 5 star. Almost all of the reviews are 5-star reviews. So scroll above to the plans, explore all plans to see the amazing deals running right now at Hostinger for my audience. You can select all of the plans over here, but the web hosting plans are very good. 30 days money back guarantee is included, so you can enjoy with confidence. 24/7 support and cancel anytime is also included. Now you can see these are the three most popular plans: premium, business, and cloud startup. These are amazing deals, so you can save as much as up to 89% if you click on the link in the description and use either of the plan with the description I'm going to tell you. But my recommendation is to do all of the thorough research before you are choosing for any plan. My premium and business plan are both very good and efficient and have all the things which you may need it. The good advantage with the business plan is you can create up to 50 websites and have 50 GB of NVMe storage. So this is an amazing thing. So which is why I'm using right now the business plan. But I have also used the premium plan as well, and that is also equally good. But it has 3 website storage limit. So if you do not want to host more websites, you can go with the premium. But if you plan to host more websites later on, the business plan is very good. So I'm choosing the business plan over here, but you can choose after doing your research with which deal you want to opt for hosting. So after this, you can see your order summary over here and select your billing period. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. If you ask me, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money. These are exclusive prices. So offer the 48 months, save the maximum amount of money. The coupon code is already applied over here, but you can also select and use either of the coupon code being mentioned in the description of this video. You can use any of the coupon code to enjoy this amazing discount at Hosting. See yourself over here once it's applied. So it's a 911 to 172, saving $79 plus daily backup free, 2 extra month free, domain name free, and 10% additional free. So 1060 to 172. So it's more than 89% discount. And if you want to get your free domain right now, you can write it over here, or later on you can claim through Hostinger control panel as well for the first year through this amazing deal. So select over here, and I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything in addition to this for that domain name, because the domain name is only valid for the first year. I can see everything over here. So 30 days money back is loaded. Now simply select the continue and move on to the last part. Now interesting thing which I want to tell you regarding Hostinger is that you may be asked to log in to your Hostinger account. You need to create your new account at Hostinger. You can also synchronize with the Google Ads account, account I mean. So right now I have just synchronized, and I'm here. I can see my order summary over here. The coupon code is loaded. Now I'm going to write my bidding details over here to claim this amazing deal. So once I select this, continue and move on to the last button, that is selecting payment method at Hostinger. Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. So let's say going with a credit card, simply select one, or add a new payment method over here and write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And once I select the submit payment, within few minutes I'm going to get an email from HostingGo with all of my account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy this amazing deal from HostingGo. I've been using HostingGo from the last 5 years and I'm pretty satisfied with their services, which is why I recommend you to enjoy your hosting from HostingGo with this amazing deal. Good luck with the hosting from HostingGo with this amazing coupon code deal. Good luck.